Hello, my good people. This is EMK Systems, and today we are going to talk about the POS I have been building. It's not actually building; it's upgrading because it was there. Okay, so let's begin. Of course, you have to launch the app, and launching the app is very fast, as you can see. So launching the app will give you this page. Is where you will activate. This one, I'm the only one who's supposed to give you this activation code. So on my side, I am supposed to generate this code. And this is the software I'm using to generate the activation code. Of course, I cannot give you this one. So the customer is supposed to copy this machine ID, this one. They give it to me, so I paste the machine ID over there. Then license number, this one. Request a license number. The customer is supposed to give me this one. Type 1 over there. Then the days, this one depends with how many months the customer wants to pay for the software. But the standard rate is for here, that's 365 days. But now let's do a free trial of 14 days. Okay. There we go. That's the code. I give it to the customer, and the customer enters it right there and activate EMK POS. There we go. The software is activated. Now, admin. These are the default login page, and we are using the default credentials. That's the admin and admin. 1, 2, 3. Login. Your license will expire in 14 days. Please renew soon. Okay. Now, this is the main page where you will land. Some people may call it the landing page. On top here, you'll see the logged in user. This is the administrator and the date, time, dashboard. This one shows today's sales, profit, the products and products that are low in stock. There's a trend graph over showing you the last 7 days trend. This one is very important. Of course, business owners know that. Let's go to sales. This is the main POS where the workers will be selling, or you yourself where you will be selling the products. You can search a product by its code. Over here, these are, of course, let me show you the inventory. On this inventory page, this is where you add your inventory of your stock. So just click here, and this is the function for the admin alone. Of course, this button, this one is for the admin alone. So the admin can enter like product code. For instance, I already have a product with me here. This is the product code, the product itself, the buying price, selling, and I think you can see all that. And of course, you can edit this one by right-clicking. You right-click, edit product. Let's say you have increased the stock by 5, and the minimum stock is 5. Just update over there. You can as well delete the product. It will show you the delete option. Delete product. Yes, now. Let me go with no for now. Now, let's go back to sales. This is where, once you add a product, it will be here. And if you don't see it here, you just search, because of course all the products are not fit on one screen. You just search by name or by code. It will appear here. Then you click it. It will be added to shopping cart. Maybe a customer wants one of your other products. You just search, click the product added to shopping list, shopping cart, that is. For now, let's go with this cart has 2 laptops, and you can decrease or increase. You can as well type 20 laptops. You are selling 20 laptops at a go to one customer. And this customer, of course, must demand for discount. You give this customer a discount of, let's say, Let's say 15,000. No, 15 is a lot. Okay, 15,000. Okay, this is what the customer is paying. So at this small dialog here, this is where you complete payment. So you can choose either cash and person card. So now let's go with can I press a process of this? Okay, let's go with card. Okay, the reference number is the transaction code or whatever you might want to put here. Let's say that's a transaction code. Okay, and complete sale. Sale, you'll get this small dialog to print the receipts. Just click print. Of course, you must select your printer here, but for now I do not have a printer connected, so I just select Microsoft Print to PDF and print. Now, the PDF I must set a name. Let me give it the test PDF. Okay, that sale has been completed successfully. Let's proceed. Of course, I've shown you the sales dashboard and inventory, credit sales. Suppose this customer is buying on credit. Okay? This customer is buying on credit. You just select that one as a complete payment and over here you select credit sale. Okay? All credit sales will appear right here. So outstanding credit, customer owing, and paid accounts. These paid accounts shows the customer took on credit, how many have they paid. So once they pay, they appear from this page. You can always get them from the sales history. This is the sales history. Now this is where sales appear. Of course, you can ignore all the others. This is the most recent sale that I've made. For how much did we sell? 585. The VAT was 80,000. Discount 15,000. Subtotal was 600. This customer paid by card. This is the receipt number, of course. And double clicking that one, again, you can reprint. You can reprint this one, the receipt. Just click reprint to can print. Clean history. This one is for the admin alone again. The admin can delete all records. Let's say records older than are here. If you do not need them anymore, let's say you have sold for 3 years, and you do not need those are old records. You just need the recent records for the recent 5 months. So you just collect this one, but this one clear, delete all cells. Now this one will delete everything. Okay. So let's go to reports. These are very important page revenue business intelligence dashboard. On this page you will see sales, stock, performance, business insights. You can select a custom date. Let's say you want to see a report from date 5th to date let's say 7th yesterday. Just select payment method, cash, apply. You sold 0 on cash between those days. M-Pesa, you sold 0 M-Pesa. Okay, let's now include today, up to date today. How much did you sell on M-Pesa? 89,000. Now this one is for other records. But okay, on card, how much did you sell? Now you remember our recent sale we made on card. Okay. That's it. Exactly this one. This is what we sold on card. This is a VAT out of VAT. Okay, you can reset over here so that you can see the full report. Total sales 854,000. This is the VAT. How many transactions? 6 transactions. Items sold 29. Expected profit. This one is calculated from your inventory. Stock value, what's in stock. This is the value of what's already in stock. How many products do you have in stock? That one, the laptop. So of course, Low in stock, you do not have products that are low in stock. Out of stock, you do not have products that are out of stock. And once you have one, they'll show payment breakdown. How much you received on cash? 120,000 M-Pesa, 89,000 bank, 30,000 card, 485, and other payments 30,000. Okay. Top selling products. This one will show the top selling products. Of course, in our database, we will only have one product, and that's the laptop, and it's top selling. Slow moving products, that one you will see them over here. Low stock products, of course you understand that. Out of stock products, they just appear over here. Business advisor, these are very important above this page. Look at this one. Intelligent recommendations generated from sales performance, stock movement, and inventory analysis. This is automated, okay? And remember, our software works, our system works offline. So this recommendation is generated automatically by the system itself. Business performance. Sales performance is strong. Rated 854 during the selected reporting period. Continue maintaining adequate stock levels for high demand products. High performing products, of course, you can see this one will give you a report your best performing products, whatever elite book. That's it. Inventory health. Inventory levels are healthy. No products are currently low in stock or out of stock. Profitability. Estimated gross profit is 250,000. Continue promoting products with strong profit margins while managing purchasing cost. You can print this report of this one. You can print it. Of course, let's do it. Print. We are going to say it is a report. PDF. Okay. On desktop, we'll do it later. Now, we move to the next page. That's users. This one is for the admin again. So you can, of course, once you log in, you must change this one. I highly recommend you change the password. The password for the admin. The default password is admin 123, and the username is admin. So over here, you can just select your own login, change password, enter the new password, and save. Okay. Over here, you can disable this user. Okay. Disable. You cannot disable your own account. Okay, it is my own account. So you can delete, of course, you can delete, you cannot delete yourself. You can add user. Okay, on this one, full name of this person you are adding. But let's say this was employee, employee, okay? And you have this employee called Wangari Martin. And okay. Wangari Martin, okay? Username, this is what they use to log in. This one is just to make it simple, Wangari. Username, let's say this person is going to use 0000 0000. Role, not an admin, a worker. User is active, you must check this one, must be checked. Otherwise, they will not be active. Okay, let's add them as inactive. Then we can. Now, as you can see, Wangari is not active, so select Wangari, enable user. Now they are enabled. Look at that. Look at that. You can disable them, you can delete them, you can change their password. Okay. Now, on the last, this one, business settings. These are very important, of course. Now, this one is where you set your shop name. Let's say you go EMK Mart. Address of whatever in the shop in Nairobi, where. Phone number, of course, you can start the business phone number. Yeah. Email, you can start your email at whatever. So I email, PIN, of course, whatever, tax rate. This is the VAT rate. So only 16, but you can. This one is open to change just in case things happen in future. Receipt, currency simple, in the shillings, of course. But if you just want USD, up to you. But for now, let's go with shillings. Okay. Receipt header, you can say card as well. And I have not saved all these settings, so receipts of footer, the event, please come again, footer. Thank you for helping with that. This is all custom, you can see it by yourself. Printing now, paper size. Of course, on POS we use a 10mm. I'm not print. Okay, you can print logo. You add the logo, your business logo over here. Just the path. Print logo, print VAT, print phone, print email, automatically print receipt. Then developer, of course, this one is mine. You cannot edit this one. So this one, let's save, 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 save. Okay. Now let's log out. We are logged out. Then we are going to log in as Wangari. Okay. Remember the person we added, Wangari, and their password was 000. Log in by clicking enter. Of course, they will get this one. This one is for our must not see everything. So they'll see the dashboard, of course, they'll see the sales, but they can make a sell, of course. They can see the inventory, they can never add a new product that was here. They cannot edit by right clicking. Only administrators can edit products. There we go. This is the inventory, of course, you can search whatever you want to search, just for view, credit, sales. Of course, they are allowed to view that on sales history. Of course, then they log out, and that's our system. Now, guys, when you kindly promote me. These are very fast software. As you can see, these are very fast software. And once you interfere with the license key, of course, now you'll have to contact me for another key. And of course, I might need to charge you. Okay, let me not speak about that one. That's our software, guys. Developed from scratch by EMK. Thank you for watching.